Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Revolut. First of all you have to do is open your Revolut app on your phone, and from here you'll be landed on the dashboard. You will see some option on the bottom bar like home, invest, payments, and the second last is crypto. Click on crypto. This page will open. On this page what you have to do is scroll down just a bit. You will see some top gainers, top losers, and something like that. If you go down you will see a bunch of features, Revolut X, and from here you'll be able to see all crypto. On the top there is Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, BNB. So what you have to do is click on the any coin that you want to buy. For example, if I want to buy Bitcoin, I will click on Bitcoin. From here Bitcoin page will open. From here you'll be able to see what is the current price of Bitcoin. From here you'll also be able to see the buy button on the bottom of the page. If you click on buy, from here you have to type any amount from which you want to buy Bitcoin. So once you've entered the amount, you have to confirm your order, and after that you have successfully bought cryptocurrency in Revolut application. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.